Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going tropical and we are making the Hawaiian sunset. We're going to start off with half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, then half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. So yes, this is going to be a very citrusy cocktail. And then we're going to use 0.75 ounces of Orgeat, and then 1.5 ounces of vodka. Last but not least, just for some color, we're going to use a bar spoon's worth of grenadine, or maybe just a titch more. Whoopsies. It's hard to pour. That's a very large bottle with no pour spout. There, so shush. All right, we're going to add ice to our shaker tin. And then we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand.
Lunatic.
No. Ouch, I got frostbite on my hands. Okay, we are going to double strain this into a coupe glass. And last but not least, our garnish is going to be a double cherry skewer. Pitty. And there we have our Hawaiian sunset. Of course, I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate the cocktail as well. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would have a bunch of these and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we land today. I don't know what I smell. I mean, I smell the cherries, but I think I smell the Orgeat more than anything. You cherry. Little gremlin in the corner.
Cherry monster.
Okay. Definitely a more citrus forward cocktail to be sure, but the Orgeat does make a difference. You do get that nice like almondy flavor, but it's definitely more on the citrus side. So there's a little bit of sweet from the Orgeat, but not a lot. And that's pretty much the only flavor I'm getting outside of the citrus is just, I mean, that's pretty much all that's in there anyway. Citrus and some almond liqueur. So it is a good cocktail. It might be a little bit too citrusy for me, just my 2 cents. This is one that I think could do with some tweaking. But considering how basic it is and there's not a lot of ingredients in it, it is a solid cocktail for the small amount of ingredients that it has. For me, I think I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. Like I said, solid cocktail, but a little too citrus forward for me. But I want to know what you guys think. So ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. And then make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And we have some originals coming.
We do have some originals coming up, so stay tuned for those. But let me know what you think about this guy, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers!